Here we have a triangle graph and they want us to rotate the figure 90 degrees counterclockwise. So that means in this direction. So when that happens, we want to think about perpendicular lines because remember perpendicular lines cross at 90 degrees. And so if I have a line, let's say that connects this yellow dot at the origin to this point here. Well, we have a slope that is up 1 and over 4. So that's a slope of 1/4. So the perpendicular slope, remember, would be to take that 1/4 and flip it and change the sign. So I would need a slope of 4/1. So 4/1 means I go from the origin, I count up 4 and to the left 1. So that's where our new point is going to be. So if this was point A, I'm now going to be at point A prime. And then I could keep doing that with each of these lines from the origin. So my next point would be from the origin up to here, and so the slope would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 5 over 6. So when I need a perpendicular slope, that would be -6 over 5. So from the origin, I would count up 6 and to the left 5 and put the next time, we'll call that one B prime. And then I would do my last point here. So for our last point, we have from here to here, and our slope would be up 2 and then over 8. So when I flip this, I'm going to get 8 over 2, don't reduce, because it's positive, it's now negative. So now I'm going to count from the origin up 8 and to the left 2, and that would be, let's call that C prime. So here is where